So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna unbox the new series iWatch Series 6 and I'm so super excited. Look, it's great, right? No? Okay, so let's start opening it, okay? So before that, I want to tell the display size. So it is 40mm or 44mm. So the one I'm having is 44mm. Okay, so shall we open? Let's open. I'm really excited. Like, I've never opened the iWatch before. This is my first time opening a brand new iWatch, and I don't know how it looks like because my parents always open it or they just do it. Whoa. Look how many colors are there of the iWatch bands. There are green, white, dark blue, light blue or whatever that is, and some bumpy ones like curly ones, which is red and green, I guess. And there's also a blue one. It's like braided or curls, like curly hair. So what should we go first? This or this? This or this? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger, hat a toe. Ba, 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 ba. This one, okay? So, open over there really slowly. Because it's my father's brand new iWatch. And if I ruin it, I'm being in big trouble. Okay. It's not getting out, so really slowly, because I'll be in big trouble if I break it. What? I didn't break it, okay? It's already broken into pieces. I don't even know how to take this thing off, so I have to go really slowly. Like slowly, like anything. I can't take this out or what? Okay, I got it. And this. So it looks like which one? Yeah. So it looks like this is S or M, small or medium, and these both are medium or large. That's what it says, so I'm telling you. It's like fun facts, right? Hiya. Hey, my hair. Okay, so I don't know how to join this, but I guess it's like this, and we put the space gray aluminum case in the middle. So I think it'll be 44mm, or should we do something? I don't know. So now we have to go in this. Ow, my lips. I'm scared. I don't want to take this out. My father's coming. So there's the space gray aluminum case. Actually, these bands are actually this black Nike Sport band. Okay, now let's get on to this one. I'm really scared. Would it break? Please don't break. Please break. My father will scold me, then I'll tell it's your fault, silly thing. Okay. It didn't break. So this is the space gray aluminum case. See? This looks so glassy. There's like 4 black spots and there's something gray over here. It's like sensors, yeah. And there are lots of features, and one new feature is that it can measure blood oxygen level. I don't even know how. Something like, I don't know how to. And it has an ECG, and it has always on feature, and it has always on altimeter, not multimeter, altimeter. It is great for hiking because it can track and it can tell how much feet we're going up high, like about 8 feet or 5,000 million billion feet or something. I don't think there's a mountain a billion feet. Okay, and it is always support family setup. Like if I told I'll go to the park and I'm wearing the watch and going, so my father can sell wherever I'm going. Like if I'm going in the park, I'm staying in the park, or am I going outside the park or to someone's house, so he can track. It's like tracking. And you know why it's so big? Because my father's hand is so big. He's like, oh, I'm with father. Listen to me in a minute. He's like that. So this is the charger. Okay, you out now. Oh, that was easy. I was just crazy. No, for a minute. I used to be crazy. Not now. Oops, I told my secret. It was crazy. So we can. Oh, it's magnetic. Cool. I didn't know it was magnetic. See? Did you hear the sound? So it's magnetic, so it gets charged really quickly for 1.5 hours. Really quickly. And I don't see anything else. So now my father helped me on it. So it took time because it says Assyria, what's an Akiria, whatever that is. Bring iPhone near Apple Watch. Bring iPhone near Apple Watch. How many times will it say? Well, it says again, setting languages. What language? English, of course. English or Tamil, because only these are the language I know properly. So that's it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.